Welcome to this short episode I'm making today. I'm making a chicken curry today. So I've got one baby chicken over here and chopped up in thin slices. I've got my spices. So I've got about 1.5 tablespoons of mixed powder, bay leaves, cloves and cinnamon. I've got a zero powder and about a tablespoon of zero powder and about half a tablespoon of chili powder. So those are my dry spices. I like to sort of use a little bit more sort of mixed powder for my curries. And then I've got baby new potatoes. These are sort of the finer ones. I think they hold a lot more fuller taste. So I've got these as well. I've got 2 onions, handful of coriander, garlic, some chopped tomatoes, some red and some green chilies. So yeah, those are my ingredients, and let's start cooking. Okay, I've got a pan on a slow heat. I'm just going to put in about 2 tablespoons of oil. So let's just do this by measurements. About there, and about one more. About there. Okay, let that cook off, and then we'll put the next ingredient in. Okay, the first ingredient you need to put is the onions. So just put the onions in. Okay. Let them cook off for about 10 minutes till they're caramelized. And then what I tend to do is put my salt, garlic in next. Okay guys, this has been cooking for a while now, about 10 minutes. It's starting to caramelize a little bit. The next thing I'm going to put in is the garlic. Okay, just give it a little stir, and then let that cook off for a little bit longer. Right, that's been cooking off. I'm going to stick in the bay leaves. Sorry, the cinnamon. All the bay leaves. And the cloves. So just stick all that in. Stick a little bit of coriander. I like to put a bit of coriander in as well. I've chopped a few tomatoes. I'm going to stick those in as well. And I'm going to let this cook down for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to put some salt in next. Well, that's been cooking away nicely. As you can tell, things are starting to sort of get together. You can put a little bit of water in so it doesn't dry out. I'm going to put the salt in now. So about 2 tablespoons of salt, that's enough. Sorry, about a tablespoon, not 2 tablespoons. Let's give that a mix again. Remember, I'm only cooking a baby chicken, so you don't need massive amounts of onions. You need just the right amount to cook this. So, okay, give it a little jazzy jazz. There we go. Break it up. Break up those tomatoes. Delicious. Smells great. Smells fabulous. Smells really, really nice. Okay, awesome. Do you know what? I'm going to actually put the chilies in as well. So I've chopped some chilies. I'm just going to bung those in as well. And I'm going to let that cook for a little bit longer. Maybe another 5 minutes. Well, that's been cooking for about 5 minutes. The next thing I'm going to put is my spices. So my mixed powder. My chili powder. So I've got table and a half spoon of mixed powder, about half a tablespoon or tablespoon of chili powder, and I like zero powder, so I've got about a tablespoon of that as well. Alright, so let that cook off with the spices so the oil starts seeping out the onions, and then just bung in your chicken and you're ready to go. Right, this has been cooking for a while. I usually have my lid off at this stage, and you can see it's all dried out now. When you've got this consistency, I put the spices in, and it's been cooking with the spices for a bit of time. You're ready to put in your chicken. Okay, now give it a good mix. And then leave that to cook for about 10 minutes until the water starts coming out of the chicken. And then literally just stick in your potatoes, cook it for another 15 minutes and you're ready to go. Okay, this has been cooking up for a while now. I'm just going to put in half a cup, half a sort of mug or, you know, a cup of water. So there we go, let's put this water in. Okay, now that's seeped through. Give it a little nudge. And let it cook for another couple more minutes till you put your potatoes in. Okay, it's been cooking for a bit longer. About 5 more minutes. Now I'm going to put the potatoes in. Chopped potatoes, just put those in. And let that cook for another 10 more minutes. And by then it should be done. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 15-20 minutes now. And it's more or less done now to Tetris. Garnish with a little bit of coriander. And you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Any questions, please do sort of respond. Remember, this is just me cooking at home. Not making no fancy videos. Just making a homemade curry at home for you guys to follow. Thanks for watching. Adios.